How to use a cross-protocol easy tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. Today I bring you back with yet another crypto related tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what a cross-protocol is, what it does, how you can differentiate between the mainnet and the layer 2 net, what the mainnet and layer 2 net are, and I'm also going to be talking about the different layer 2 currencies that you have, like arbitrum, and what arbitrum is and how you can use arbitrum, how you can get arbitrum, how you can sell it, withdraw it, etc. I'm going to discuss all of that in this video, and it's going to be very simple, very easy. All this mainnet and layer 2, all of this is, I know it sounds very confusing, but trust me, it's very easy, and I'm going to explain it to you in the smallest, easiest, most efficient steps. And by the end of this video, if you watch this whole video till the end and listen to my steps carefully, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to use the across protocol and what it really is. So without further ado, let's get right in. So first of all, we're going to write what the across protocol is. So what is the across protocol? The across protocol is a novel bridging method that combines an optimistic oracle, bonded layers, and single-sided liquidity pools to provide decentralized instant transactions from roll-up chains to Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so in easier words, basically, the Ethereum mainnet is obviously getting very crowded nowadays. The Ethereum blockchain is really crowded, and there's just a lot of trades going on, and the blockchain is just filled with different trades. And obviously that causes issues, that causes problems. So the cross protocol was a protocol that was originated, so there was a layer 2 net made just for the Ethereum blockchain to have an easier load, and there's just much better speeds for trading, etc. As you can see, a cross protocol transfer assets between layer 2s and layer 1 networks. So across is the fastest, cheapest, and the most secure cross-chain bridge for Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, Boba, and other layer 1 and layer 2 networks. So basically it just does cross-chain bridge trading. So yeah, that's basically about the overlay and overview of what across is. Now let's get into what the across protocol really does and how you do it. So let's go to this link, which is across.to. Now once we go here, over here, it's going to ask us to connect our wallet. Now, first of all, we're going to choose the chain. Now, there's different across protocol layer 1 and layer 2 chains. It's either Ethereum, Arbitrum, Boba, Optimism, or Polygon. Now, the most famous ones are obviously either Ethereum or Arbitrum. You can choose any one of these depending on whichever you like. But first of all, you're going to obviously need to connect your wallet. Now, you can connect your MetaMask wallet, your Opera wallet, or your Coinbase wallet. Now, I have all three of these, but I'm just going to connect my Coinbase because I prefer that. Now, once I go to Coinbase wallet, it's going to load it up, and it's going to ask us, connect to website. Let's see if your wallet balance activity. You're going to read all of this, and if you approve, you're just going to click on connect. And once that is done, it's going to successfully connect this wallet, which is the across protocol wallet, to your Coinbase wallet. Now, from here on out, you can start making your transactions in the easiest and the most simplest, quickest way possible. So you can change your currencies from Ethereum. Let's say if you have Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet, if you have the fiat currency up to that Ethereum, you can put in the max Ethereum. Like, for example, you're going to put in 10. Right now, I don't really have I don't have any credit in my Coinbase wallet, but when you do, you're just going to do Ethereum to whatever layer 2 you want to convert it to. So it can be Arbitrum, Boba, Optimism, Polygon, depending on what you do. We're going to do Arbitrum today. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to convert it from the Ethereum blockchain, which is the crowded blockchain, to the Arbitrum blockchain, which is just a much faster layer 2 version of Ethereum. So you're going to convert it to that. And once you do that, you're just going to click on send. And by clicking send, what you will do is you're going to send that amount of Arbitrum into your Coinbase wallet. Now, what that will do is it will send this much Arbitrum in your Coinbase wallet. And by sending that into your Coinbase wallet, what will happen is you can start making purchases using Arbitrum. Now, what good does Arbitrum purchases do? Arbitrum is basically, as I told you, it's a currency that's a layer 2 network that was just made to make it into a much faster, much better Ethereum, because the Ethereum blockchain is crowded. It's just blocked. So I'm just gonna get into that in like a few minutes. I just want to explain the across protocol a bit more. So if you go to the pool here, you can see if you select any of these pools. So there's the wrapped Bitcoin, Booba, UMA, Balancer, USD coin. I'm just gonna check the Ethereum pool. You can check different pools of money. If you have not migrated liquidity from across V1 to across V2, please follow these instructions. You can follow these to liquidate it from your layer 1 to layer 2. Okay, so this is the Ethereum pool. Now, you can add in any type of liquidity you want. So the total pool size is 7.4 million. The pool utilization is 87.58%. The current APY is 7.4%, and the projected APY is 28.3%. Now, the position size for our liquidity is obviously 0 because we have put in. Once you put it in, like let's say you put in 89, and when you start doing that, it's going to change your Ethereum pool balance, and that's just much better. And then if you go on rewards, this is kind of like staking. If you don't know what staking is just making rewards from NFTs. But yeah, this is like staking or just staking crypto. Uh, yeah, you can get rewards off of just following the across protocol, basically. So yeah, that's the main overview of how the across protocol really works. Now let me get you into what Arbitrum is and how Arbitrum really works. Now I've showed you can use the across.to website to purchase your Arbitrum, or you can just go to this website now to purchase your Arbitrum. Now Arbitrum is a proper across protocol currency, and you can just change it from here. For example, if you put in any amount of Ethereum and you can convert it to your mainnet, or if you want to convert it to your Arbitrum, you're just going to do that. Over here, it's going to ask you for your mainnet balance. So let's say in your centralized exchanges, you want to convert it from your BitGet, Bybit, FTX, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Binance. You can choose any one of these. And once you do that, you're just going to go on Bridge. And if your funds are efficient enough, you're obviously going to connect these wallets of yours too. I've already connected mine, but it's going to ask you to connect yours. Once you connect it, you can start moving your funds to your wallet. Now, once you've moved the Arbitrum funds, what Arbitrum is good for is what we call Arbitrum Odyssey. Now, Arbitrum Odyssey is a project where they started generating NFTs, and you can use these Arbitrum coins to buy all of these different great NFTs they have. And if you want to start mint or staking NFTs, you can even do that as well. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up, and I'm going to get right into how these things work. So once you're over here, you're again going to connect your wallet. It's gonna every website that I just showed you always asks you to connect your crypto wallet to the website. So once you've connected your wallet, you're gonna set the network currency. Now, obviously, we're gonna do it on Arbitrum because that's the coin. Arbitrum and Ethereum are essentially the same. The only difference is they're different blockchains and they're different layers. Ethereum is a layer 1 network. Arbitrum is a layer 2 network. So what Arbitrum, once you've selected Arbitrum, you're going to start seeing NFTs on the left side over here. Now, obviously, I don't have any funds, so it says you are not eligible. But once I start getting my funds in my wallet, it's going to start making me eligible. And then you can go on these different places. Like if you go on campaigns, you can see these different campaigns where there are different NFTs. These are all different NFTs that you can buy if you want to. And you can even change the type. Or if you go up here, you go on spaces. In spaces, also, you can apply for your own space where you can apply for your own NFTs, or you can just dabble around and just check all of these verified users and check their NFTs out, and you can just buy them using your Arbitrum coin, which you made from your across protocol. So yeah, that's the basic overview and gist of what the Arbitrum or across protocol is. If you don't understand or you have any issues or queries, you can let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this related to the mainnet or the different layers of networks that we have in crypto nowadays, please let me know. I'll make these videos for you and make life easy for you. And if you want to know more about crypto, let me know that as well. I can help you a lot with crypto. And yeah, till then, just like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Leave a nice comment if you liked the video, and just share this around with your friends, whoever are in need of content like this. So yeah, that's basically about it. I hope you all keep having a great day. That's all from me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.